Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio class from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. कल US markets were shut due to the Independence Day celebrations, जिसके वजह से we did not have any major moves in the global financial markets. But आज Asian equity markets are seeing a profit-taking dip. Dollar index is slightly higher and US bond yields are marginally higher. But उसका कोई impact dollar rupee में at least offshore में दिख नहीं रहा. It is not trading around 82 levels on the spot reference. USDINR has been range bound for quite a long time, especially since 16th of last month. It has been whipping 20 paisa plus minus 20-25 paisa plus minus the 82 region on spot. इसके पीछे का कारण ये है कि FPI flows have been extremely strong, and since March the FPI flows have been increasing progressively, and over the last 3.5 months we have seen flows up to $16 billion, और जिसके वजह से it is difficult for the USDINR to break out. But at the same time we suspect RBI may be buying dollars at lower levels. So RBI buying dollars, we suspect RBI buying dollars at lower levels, जिसके वजह से USDINR is unable to break down, and FPI selling at higher levels and some bit of corporate and speculative selling, जिसकी वजह से possibility of a breakout remains slim. So we are caught in a range. जब भी it has tried to create an impression that a trend will emerge, जैसे परसों हुआ था when it fell sharply towards the 81.75 levels on spot, it bounced back. कल भी it retraced almost all of the losses. Because as I said, follow through is not happening. और दूसरा एक फैक्टर है कि the low forward premium, क्योंकि USDINR में forward premium has plunged close to decadal lows, और जिसके कारण क्या हुआ है, जो carry trade है that is not coming through, क्योंकि low forward premium है, you don't have that kind of a incentive to short the currency, USDINR in this case, because then you are basically betting on a spot appreciation, and that's not something which the speculator is confident when the RBI is buying at lower levels aggressively. तो इसके लिए लो फॉरवर्ड प्रीमियम में वो कैरी ट्रेड स्पेकुलेटिव प्रेशर आ नहीं रहा है on the dollar, and at the same time, because the FPI flows are so strong, the sentiment towards India is so strong, global risk sentiments are positive. उसके कारण we are not able to see the dollar being bought against the rupee. So as a result, the USDINR is stuck in a range. तो जब तक कोई major trigger is not arriving, whether it's dollar negative or dollar positive, तब तक we will continue to see a choppiness around the range. Trading is going to be extremely difficult. There is no doubt about that. उसका impact we are already seeing, that the futures volume जो है ADV that continues to plunge, and it's almost 60% down from the October highs. But option volumes are holding up because people are still preferring to sell options to benefit from this range bound thing. But remember, these rogue moves almost every week, which is happening, sudden 20-25 paisa move on one particular direction, और जो फिर retrace हो रहा है, वो move में your stops can get hit. But in spite of that, people are still willing to take the risk and short straddle or short strangle, and those who want to play safe, they are doing a short iron fly, which is short straddle and buy a strangle to hedge it. So you can continue to focus on such strategies, but keep your position sizes small, and either have a stop loss or be ready to adjust your position if there is a sharp 25 paisa, 30 paisa kind of a move in a particular direction. Other than that, intraday scalping can be done. Any 20-25 paisa move in a particular direction can be a counter position, can be built. That kind of a trade has worked somewhat over the last 2-3 weeks. So you can continue to focus on that kind of a strategy. On cross currency, आज यूरो INR and GBP INR में हल्का सा डाउनवर्ड करेक्शन देखने को मिल सकता है, और जिसकी वजह से वी वुड not be looking for any long opportunities in these pairs. Key data to keep an eye on. एक तो जो आज Chinese services PMI था, that has come out. That is weaker than expected. जिसके कारण we are seeing a slight risk off in Asia and also the Asian currencies. इसके अलावा FOMC minutes is going to be very important because that will be something to watch closely क्योंकि the market will be paying attention to see if there are any major hints from the Fed about the future path of the interest rates. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.